Massive earthquake happened a couple days ago in the Philippines. Now, why am I reporting on this? Well, the reason for me reporting on this and bringing it to your attention is anytime you have such a strong or such a big earthquake, it could trigger a chain event of other earthquakes, especially significant earthquakes all over the world. Now, this particular earthquake, it was in the Philippines, southern part of the Philippines, a 7.8 earthquake. As you guys are seeing on the screen, so far 37 people killed, 32,000 people displaced by the earthquake. Now, like I mentioned before, it was a 7.8 magnitude earthquake. It will happen on Monday, so in other words, yesterday. And it also brought a tsunami, a 4.6 feet tsunami, which is not significant, but it still caused some issues, potentially in lower areas that are, lower lane areas. So it is significant enough for some of those people. And we can make the case, we can make the argument that potentially this particular earthquake could have had something to do with the one that happened on the Gulf. 6.1 earthquake yesterday in the Gulf. And why is it significant? Well, because it potentially could be the strongest earthquake in the Gulf of Mexico for the past, at least in the past 150 years, if not ever. The most significant one, it was a 5.8, roughly about 20 years ago in a similar area. I'm bringing this to our attention, guys, because I'm not saying it's going to create other massive earthquakes, but it is very likely that it will cause a chain reaction. And everybody needs to be paying attention to this, to the news. Be paying attention, especially if you live in an island where it's prone to earthquakes, or if you live in an area near a fault, whether anywhere in the Caribbean and the Ring of Fire in the Pacific. You guys need to be paying attention. Thank you, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stay weather alert.